Free rice is a little game with a big purpose. Aldrich would categorize it as a frame game, since it's generally used for review of math facts, vocabulary, place names, and other factual information. It would rank a 1 on his pregame scale, and it's self-paced for a single player. It doesn't take a lot of technology or skill. If you can click a mouse, you can play the game. That's the little part of it. Each right answer puts 10 grains of rice in the bowl. That's the big part. That rice represents an actual donation of rice based on your score. The United Nations Food Program has 2 goals for this game: provide education and help combat world hunger. Yesterday, 22,366,200 grains of rice were donated, and almost 89 billion grains have been donated since the game started in 2007. Even though it's not immersive, it meets GI's criteria for active learning. It's a good experience, a good affinity group, the information is useful in other domains, and it leads students to reflect on ways to contribute to society. Our students keep track of their scores throughout the year, and there's some healthy competition. Just 15 to 20 minutes at a time, they're learning, they're making a real difference, and they're having fun.